had to get out of the house today. It has been raining all week long, and I'm super excited to get out because today I'm making venison burgers, and not just any old venison burger. And I know I say it a lot, that was one of the best burgers I've ever cooked. Now, bear with me for 1 second. So I have been at this spot before. I did a video here probably about 2 months ago. And if you watch the channel, sometimes you see that I use my little Hover X1 drone just to get some really cool shots. And I did one of those right here. And when I went back and did the editing, I noticed that I caught on the drone video 3 monster fish. 3 monster fish. So I came back today. So not only did I bring all of my cooking equipment and all my food, brought my rod and reel. Let's go through the line in a couple times, see what happens. All right, let's go eat. All right, so I'm doing this venison burger because the last time came out pretty good. Not as good as I wanted. You probably know this. Venison, not a lot of fat, very gamey. And this time I'm going to switch it up. Brought a little bit of bacon because it definitely needs a little fat. Gonna do some sauteed onions. Gonna saute some garlic too for the burger bun. Little extra flavor. Now, pretty sure my wife has no idea that this is the venison that I'm buying. So I get this at Whole Foods. You can probably get it at a butcher, but this is their Force of Nature ground venison, and it's not just ground venison. And I think if she knew, she'd freak out because this also has venison liver and venison heart and a little bit of ground beef. Now, like I said, venison, it is a really lean meat. And the last time I made it, I mixed in some 80-20 ground beef. Still didn't feel like it had enough fat. So this time I'm gonna mix in some of that bacon. Now I gotta tell you, it is May and it is hot as anything today, man. Gotta bring my little towel to wipe sweat from my brow. So like I said, it is May. I thought I'd have a little extra fun today because this week is the week that the Mandalorian and the Grogu, say that right? Comes out. I'm gonna cook my garlic butter for my bun with this. Can you see it? This is the way. All right, got my bacon mixed in. Let's see. That's a big burger. All right, I'm going for 3 burgers. Find those out. All right, of course, using my steak seasoning. Got such good flavor. Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, onions. Got a little bit of coriander seeds. By the way, if you want it, link's gonna be in the description down below. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the garlic butter on the bun, both buns. Probably can do some of that. Garlic butter on this side. Now I know you can't smell that, but my goodness, that is buttery, garlicky goodness. Toast the buns up a little bit. All right, let's flip these babies. Oh yeah. Now, of course, you can put whatever kind of cheese you want on there. I'm going to put on there some white American because that's what I had. Now, I did bring my Dutch oven lid so I can get a nice melty cheese on the top. Oh, that is looking good. All right, let's turn this up a notch. I got some sriracha mayo for the top of the bun. Gotta have a little bit of heat. A little bit. A little bit of grilled onions on the top. Man, that just looks so good. Let's see if I can do this without it all falling apart. There's one. So that's Chandler. He just came strolling by. My venison burgers are done. I got two. He's gonna be my guinea pig. Hope this turns out good. Let's go do it. So it's got a garlic butter on the bun. Look how juicy that is.
That's good.
Mmm.
Yes.
Mmm. That's good.
That's real good. What'd you make it with?
Added-
Onions.
Added a little bit of bacon because venison doesn't have a lot of fat.
Mm-hmm.
Little pepperoncinis. Grilled up some onions. I made a garlic butter. Put the buns in there. Mmm, that was good.
I never had one before.
Mmm, that's good. Man, I know I say it a lot. That was one of the best burgers I've ever cooked. And that bacon definitely helped. Hey, do me a big favor too. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from. I may wrap up, throw my line back in again.